welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Guess what, guys, we are making jollof rice today. Hear a lot of people talking about the Nigerian jollof, the Ghanaian jollof, and so on. You guys, like every African country has jollof rice, including Cameroon and Togo itself. So I'm going to show you how we make jollof rice in Togo. Jollof is so special to a lot of Africans, because it doesn't take a lot, and yes, you have a very delicious meal to eat. I'm going to show you guys how I do my jollof rice from start to finish, and let's get into the video. So a lot of people will use beef for jollof. Yeah, but I'm using chicken. It all depends on you. You can use your favorite meat for your jollof. Me, I like chicken a lot, so I'm using chicken. Let's go ahead and peel our garlic and ginger. The main spices here in Togo is garlic, ginger, and onion. If you are cooking and you are not adding garlic, ginger, and onion, then you are doing something very wrong. It's a must. Ginger, garlic, these are some of the spices I'm adding. Rosemary and the rest. We have white pepper, we have black pepper, red pepper. Yeah, so this is everything I'm adding. I'll go ahead and blend this and marinate the chicken so that we can boil. Yeah. I'm going to boil the chicken until the water completely dries off before I do the frying, so that the salt and the maggi can properly penetrate the chicken. If you all know what I'm saying, yeah. Now let's take out the chicken and do the frying. This is what it's looking like. I think the chicken is ready. I have some tomato paste right here, and I have fresh tomatoes here, so I'm just going to fry them. We'll start with the tomato some food. So after frying the paste for a while, going with our rice, with the chicken broth right here, we'll go ahead and add it as well. And we'll add in the remains of the cube. Some salt. This is the spices. I'm going to add in. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of water. I will cook this on low heat. I'm going to add in some green pepper or poivron. Of course, our chicken. Yeah, this is what our jollof rice is looking like. It's looking so good, you guys. It looks so good. Wow. What do you all think about my jollof rice recipe? I hope it makes sense. Yeah, I think it's ready. This is what our jollof is looking like. It looks so put together. I'll go ahead and try some of the food. Let me serve some. Try it. It's looking so good. So juicy. I don't like it too dry. I think this is enough. Yeah. Can you see this? Okay, let's give our food a try. This is what it's looking like. You all are invited. It's looking so good. Oh my goodness. May God bless this meal for us. Amen. You're invited, you all. Hmm. Wow. This is so good. Let me tell you something. When you are eating the jollof rice, you have to feel the burnt smell. And this one was prepared on charcoal, so I can feel like the smoky smell. Like, this is perfection. Mm-mm. Mm. When I say this is perfection, I mean it. Mm. This is so good. Mm. I know When you chew it with some poivron as well, it has like this very nice flavor that the poivron gives to it. Is so good. Oh my goodness. So I don't know where to classify this rice, if it's Cameroon jollof, Togolese jollof, Ghana jollof, or Nigerian jollof. I will just call it jollof. Yeah. Hmm. In Africa, if you go to a party and they don't serve you something like this, was that even a party? I don't know. So this is our chicken right here, well spiced and fried. My goodness, it's really juicy. I can feel all the blend of all the spices and mm, so good. And we have some pure water here, straight from the fridge. Life is good. Life is good. I love it. Let me know what you think about my jollof. Did I do it well? Is this how you do your jollof? Anyways, we all have our unique way of cooking, and this is how I cook my jollof. Mm, this is so good. So yummy. Try this recipe and thank me later. I'm eating it so fast. So we've come to the end of the video. Let me know if you liked the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. But before you go, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. And until next time, I have to say bye bye. Thank you guys so much. Bye.